Hi, Joe. You sure look happy today. What's going on?
Oh, hi, Jill. I'm doing great. I'm getting paid to drive into work now.
Hey Joe, I like your new car.
How did you manage that?
I signed up at urbanmarketing.ca. The great team there wrapped my car with some advertising, and I just go about my daily routine. They are paying me $400 every month, and I don't have to do anything extra. It's the easiest money I've ever made.
Wow, that sounds fantastic. Tell me more.
It was super easy. I just went to urbanmarketing.ca and filled out their driver application. They asked me where I live and work and my usual driving routes. Then they matched me up with a company that wants to advertise in my area of town. And voila! They installed the advertising graphics onto my vehicle and pay me $400 a month. Now my wife and I are planning our next vacation.
Wow, would they pay me to drive my car too?
Do you drive at least 1,500 kilometers per month and have a clean driving record?
I sure do. It is quite a commute to work here. Getting paid for it would sure make the drive easier. What was that website again? I'm going to check it out.
www.urbanmarketing.ca